guys, we're going to mall, but we walk through the parking area. Going straight. Na siya kanang Derek. See guys, from our condo, naging siya Derek, pa security Derek. Hallway siya kanang direct siya sa mall, connected to mall amo ang tower. So actually can walk only, see down also there. Na siya patwalk to go straight to mall SM. So we going there. It's about 45 minutes only to walk. Kaso, kung ba na kay kapalan siya mag-walk. See, you can see the highway there. Wow, got mango here. Mango. Nara ang SM. You can see there's grabe kataas ang linya sa ilang tricycle guys, from Apari to Hulo. Dagang kay bunga ilang mangga beside also. Kung sa Iligan pa ni kurot na. Yeah, that's why. In Iligan, oh, dagang kay bunga guys, no? Dahil is a eskwelahan. I think sa palibot sa amo ang kondo kay for ka school, oh, di ba? Oh, kani mag-park ni sila, oh. Oh, they also got the Alpha Mart. Ano, soon to open. Keep right. What? Oh, is it?
SM.
You check? Yeah. Straight. Another school. One more school here. Got university, then high school. Got science also. School behind our convent, I think so. So another school. Dahan kay school there. San Francisco High School. Yesterday ka ng graduation nila doon. Dungog kaayo. And can see ang happiness sa ilang face. That is the annex, SM Annex. SM North EDSA Annex. O gusto ka dito, diretso ka dito sa Annex. Pero ikaw, this one is the entrance. We are in the mall. Then, this is barbecue. tickets. Travel. This one. This is a cinema. IMAX. You see? Only 4 minutes. Abot na mi sa SM. Diba? Doon kaayo guys. So, we go down. You know what? You go to supermarket, I'll find you the in. At least you got already.
What's the price of the
Luggage. If you, that's why we need to go inside a department store. You see here first. Sure, this one is very expensive.
50% off?
Hmm?
50% off.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, sir.
Like this.
How much?
Magkano yung ganito? Hmm?
Alin dyan?
Etong ganito.
Ito ma'am, from 11,000, 5.5 na lang siya.
Ito na, ano na to?
May brand ma'am. Ito naman, nasa 5,000. Ito nasa 4,400, then 3,300.
But, balik lang kami sa that's the price.
Hmm?
That's the price. 11 to 5. But you in department store got it. We need to see in department store. Supermarket. Yeah, but little bit only.
When you got that? Yeah, but this is only 1,000.
Yeah, here, but not that. The what is that? The size.
Wait.
Got a lot of bread. Hmm? 7. Just one. You take the big one?
I did.
Good. Nago, so yun na po ni Ray. SM Merged ang mga grocery handler guys. Supermarket. Agad. So got the fruits. So, I don't want fruits. Gamay pa kayong tao kaya they just open. We will find our rice. 67. With always cheaper. Thanks for watching guys. This is SM Quezon City North EDSA. Bye.